So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up an RRSP on EQ Bank. So once the EQ Bank app is opened up on the dashboard page, go to the top right and press on the three lines. Then on this page, go ahead and scroll down to where it says featured products. Under featured products right here, it'll say a bunch of different accounts here. So you have savings account, you have first home savings account, you have a bank card, US dollar account, etc. But go ahead and press view all accounts and plans. Once you're on this page right here, you can scroll through a bunch of different products that are being offered. So if you want to go ahead and open up an EQ Bank RRSP, say for your retirement, go ahead and select this option right here. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and read about the EQ Bank RRSP. So it can show you the interest rate right here, as well as the GIC. So in this case, you can only open up an RRSP through EQ Bank with GICs. You can't actually invest in like stocks or ETFs or anything like that. You can scroll down, see a bunch of different stuff regarding this, how it works, some resources, etc. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, press on open up an EQ Bank RRSP. Then on this page, it's going to ask for your personal information. So go ahead and fill all of that in. If this all looks good to you, go to the bottom and press submit. And there you go. Your account has been created. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to open up an RRSP on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.